DIYs. I'm just gonna pop those in, the feature, this floor tile into there for the niche. I've just got to cut a few tiles to put in there, and then I can grout it up, grout the floor up. I've done all the walls, so we're home and hose. So let's pop this in. I'm using quite like my glue is fairly stiff. Yeah, so it won't won't take long to dry at all with my glue pretty stiff. Bit of trouble with my battery. I've just put in another battery in my camera, so we're good to go, I hope. Yep. That's a ticket. Nice. Bit of a feature. Bit of a feature for the back of the niche, which is pretty cool. A lot of times DIYs, I bring up the floor tile. I say to the owner, would you like the floor tile in the back of the niche? And yeah, it just sort of makes it interesting. It's good. I just might run out of time today to finish everything, but I'll be pretty close. But I'm booked in. Oh, I'm booked in for another job Tuesday. I'm going away for the weekend. Where are my crosses? I'm going away for a long weekend to the Sunshine Coast, Mooloolaba, for a weekend with my wife. So I'll be back here, well, in the next couple of weeks, because the owner now wants, I've got a 4 or 5 meters left over, and the owner said, well, why don't you put them in the laundry? So that's where we're putting them, in the laundry, tiling a laundry wall. So I come back, do that in a couple of weeks' time. So if I've missed anything, I can do it then. Okay, I'll show you the finished product shortly. Just adjust that slightly. Okay, we'll see you soon.